Hello and welcome to Kazakhstan's last vlog from Almaty. From here we start our day. We are going for this cable car at Koktobe. Koktobe means series of mountain. So today we will have a leisure trip because we will be going to the airport today. We are boarding today only. For Dubai we'll be leaving today. So first we will go to, you can see little Koktobe. No, you cannot see. Anyways, so we'll be boarding the cable car. Then we'll be taken to a chocolate factory. Then we'll go to where? Green Bazaar again. We need to buy some jacket. Though our luggage is full still. So you have to punch your ticket there and you have to enter. This is the gate. Look at this too. Let's go. Push. Push, push. Here's the cable car. See the whole Almaty city from this cable car, right?
It's from World War II.
World War II?
Yeah. These
What?
horses are from World
More
War
like
II.
war, not before World Wars.
We're going
These are
to
old homes.
that top place. Koktobe. No, गाना चल रहा है गाना.
क्योंकि अब आइस गिरता है ना तो घर को तो ऐसा ही बनाना पड़ेगा नहीं तो
हाँ, वो
आइस जम जाएगा ना।
रूफ ऐसे बनता है ना. पर देख यहाँ पे हाई राइज बिल्डिंग भी है. वो सब देख वो वाले.
कोई भी सिटी में ये डाउनटाउन रहते हैं ना.
हाँ.
ये कजाक होटल तो मस्त लग रहा है. होटल कजाक।
वो बहुत पुराना है. फर्स्ट
That is the oldest hotel.
Oh, this is the oldest hotel. Hotel Kazakh.
And this is like the identity of the city. Hotel of Kazakhstan.
हाँ.
तो मेरा भी ऐसा ये है काइन का भी ऐसा।
Koktobe giant wheel. Upside down house. The car is how the car is parked. My God. Here is this upside down house where you need ticket to go. This ferry wheel. Then there are some rides for kids. Then there is toy train. You can go and see the star and the viewpoint. That's it. There is nothing there. If you are coming here, don't come here and waste time. If you have enough spare time that you have done roaming around and you are bored, then you can come here. Otherwise, basically, there is nothing to explore other than this certain things of like ferry wheel and this overturned house and some souvenir shops. Nothing is there. This girl got stuck in between. Now, how she will be rescued, God knows. They don't have any such things to rescue her like that. Now this man is sending some rope to her and then she will be pulled. My God. भाई ये सब नहीं कर सकते भाई.
क्यों? like doing ना?
No, I can do, but it should be like they should have proper things to save yourself. This is their zoo where you'll get to see some.
This will be a fat lunch for you. Auntie, the yellow one will be a good fat lunch.
You.
They're so chunky. Yeah, I know, right?
They're so chunky.
Yeah.
What the hell is this chunky?
And then deep fry
वो
them.
black. हाँ ये
Auntie,
सब
deep
turkey
fry
है. बड़े
them.
होते हैं वो turkey.
Deep fry them.
मुझे भी नहीं पता था. इस बार सुंदरबन जाके मुझे ना बड़े बड़े चिकन से बड़े बड़े बर्ड्स दिखे. मैंने कहा zoo where you'll get to see cats. They are roaming around free and they want to eat those chickens who are trapped inside. I have never seen a zoo where you keep chickens inside. If they bite na, who's best friend? Rabbits. Don't scare them, babies. अरे वाह सेजल तूने बहुत सही टाइम पे दिखा था. This is nice. This is white. मुझे ना पिकॉक का कलर इतना अच्छा लगता है. Reindeer, some birds, peacock, and that's it. Some variety of different kind of birds. We have come to this ice cream shop to have some softies. These are the flavors.
Oreo.
Sorbet है. दे
Kids.
दे.
It's Kayan first.
Thank you. तू बता अपना.
Strawberry.
हाँ रुक रही हूँ. This is Kazakhstan theater. You can see some movies of Kazakhstan. This is how it looks inside. Some display of art is there. Came to this chocolate factory and we'll be buying some chocolates, I guess. Rahat, that is the brand that our cab driver told us yesterday, that Rahat is the brand which they make here. That is their local brand of chocolate. मस्त बड़ा सा शॉप है. हाँ, वो राहत बोला था ना उसने. ये राहत बोला था उसने. राहत. The shop name is only Rahat. Let's see if we buying something. So these are the chocolates. No, baby, I don't think so.
No, we can't
Ask them. I don't think if you can try.
Yeah, we can't.
You can buy.
I think so. It's all same price.
We didn't take any chocolate from here because we have enough in Dubai, so we don't want.
You don't even have a single chocolate. She's lying.
No, we have many variety over there. From worldwide variety we get there, so it's useless buying chocolate from here. So we are not buying. Green Bazaar is just next to this chocolate. Truck is washing the roads. Wow, nice. It's washing the roads. Yeah. Anyways, we'll be going to the green market and we will be buying something if we get, because we still left with some tenge, so we'll spend it here. This kids want to buy something, so look at this poor souls, they didn't get any chocolate. Please have mercy on them, buy something for them, please. Please. While going to the green market, you will find this kind of shops, just like in Kolkata's Goriahat market. And green market is actually a 3-storied building where down you'll get spices, various kind of pickle and also jackets, and you should go to the next 2 levels also, which we didn't go last time. So this time we are planning to go. We have to cross. We have to cross it fatafat. Where you have to enter. That's the green market. That's it. It's written in green. It's wherever you are, you can take a cab and also come if your travel agent is not bringing you. You'll get souvenir here. Hai bolo. Here we came that day also. See, they know Aishwarya, they know Priyanka Chopra. We'll keep on calling Aishwarya Priyanka Chopra. This is the shop. No, this is not shop, this is bazaar. You'll get fresh juice here. We'll take stairs and we'll go up. Told by a person who was driving our car, that you should go to the next floor in green market. But there is nothing here. I'll show you. See, this is that next floor, and down it looks like this. But here there are cafe in the second floor, but there's nothing else. I don't know where the shops are. Let's go and find out. Look at the kind of meat they're selling. Oh my goodness. Why they were calling it second floor, you get many jackets. This is the ground floor where there are more spices. We missed seeing this that day. We did explore the second floor. Here we already explored it, but again we will be exploring and checking out. Street food. Nice. Spot for today is the Spice Mantra, where you have come for lunch. Then we'll be going to the airport. Here we have grabbed the space. So many people came together. Last meal in Kazakhstan. Chicken lollipop, chili chicken, veg Manchurian. Take your food. Yeah, take your food. So we are done with our Kazakhstan tour. Today is 5th day, and right now, after having lunch at Spice Affair, we are going back to home. So these 5 days, it will always be very memorable to me. First time in my life I saw snowfall. You can imagine how I should be feeling. I never saw snowfall. It was such a good experience coming here. All other details, if you want to know, you can get in touch with me. I'll let you know. Thanks to Sejal and Amit Bhaiya who took the initiative to come here. Thanks to Vishwaroop for planning for the trip. And we had a really good time. If there is any information you want to know about Kazakhstan, you can really get in touch with me. Thank you. Hope you like watching the video. If you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for watching it. Take care.